Today is 17 March 2026. In this video, I will show you a professional USDJPY trade management and continuation setup based on my forex strategy factory trend system. This analysis is based on Ichimoku H4 trend confirmation, Renko momentum behavior, moving average dynamic trend structure, monthly projection resistance reaction. Let's go straight to the chart. Market trend overview. On the higher time frame, USDJPY is still in a strong overall uptrend. The Ichimoku scanner shows a green buy box, B-zone confirmation. This means institutions are still pushing price upward and the primary trend direction remains bullish. However, price has now reached a monthly resistance projection zone and momentum is starting to slow down. This is no longer a fresh entry area. This is now a trade management and protection phase. Current price structure. Price is currently trading around entry reference zone 158.80, 158.95. But the market is showing smaller candles, hesitation movement, early pullback pressure. This tells us the trend is still valid, but needs breathing space. Renko confirmation. Looking at the Renko structure, we can see mixed bars forming, some tails showing sellers trying to react. According to the strategy rules, when Renko momentum weakens after a strong push, this is the time to secure profit and trail stop loss. Moving average trend logic. Green moving average 50 is still above red moving average 200. This confirms the trend is still bullish. Price is now pulling back toward the MA50 dynamic support zone. This is a normal trend continuation behavior. Trade management plan, very important. If you already have buy positions running, close first 3 to 4 entries around 158.80, 158.95, move remaining stop loss to around 158.10 near MA50 support. Allow final runner positions to target higher continuation levels. Take profit targets. Primary continuation target, TP1 159.60, TP2 160 to 120, monthly projection extension zone. Stop loss level protective stop loss for remaining trades. SL 157.90. If price breaks below this level, it confirms deeper correction before next bullish cycle. Next entry opportunity. The best new buy entry will come only if price retraces into 157.90 to 157.60 demand zone. Renko turns white again. Ichimoku H4 buy box remains active. That will give a fresh high probability trend continuation entry. So the market is still bullish, but smart traders now focus on locking profits, reducing risk, allowing trend runners to grow capital. This is how professionals trade strong trends without giving profits back. To follow all my real trade signals and full strategy steps, visit my trading community.